Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your account with Salesforce detailed guide step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Locate the link that says Forgot Your Password. Click on that link to initiate the recovery process. You will be redirected to a password recovery screen. Enter the email address associated with your Salesforce account. After entering your email, click Continue. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Salesforce. If you don't see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be directed to a new page where you can set a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements specified on the page. Enter your new password and confirm it in the designated field. Once you've entered your new password, click Save. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your password has been successfully updated. Now, return to the Salesforce login page. Enter your username and your newly created password. Click the Login button to access your account. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, it's a good idea to review your account settings for any security updates. If you experience any issues during the recovery process, contact Salesforce support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.